Damon here with IGN News. Taco Bell is now serving Cheetos Crunchwrap Sliders in its Canadian stores. The sliders come in 3 different options: beefy cheddar, spicy chicken, and supreme. The Cheetos Crunchwrap Slider is a smaller sized Crunchwrap infused with a new flavor profile that combines it with Cheetos jalapeno snacks. Taco Bell's Cheetos Crunchwrap Slider will cost $3 in Canadian stores. It is expected to be available nationwide for a limited time. If it's ever introduced in America, we're sure it will pair well with Taco Bell Chicago's beer and wine selection. Do you want to eat this? Let us know in the comments, and if you're Canadian, let us know how it tastes here at IGN.